to my channel. I hope you are all well. Today I am going to show you some basic elements of Excel. We are going to cover this portion. You can see my cursor. In this portion, we are going to cover some topics like border, font size, cell color, then alignment, how to do red text, how to do merge and center, and some formats. Okay, let's get started. Here you can see a table, right? I named this table monthly income status. This is the same table as you can see, but this table is looking more organized, and this is a well-shaped design. You can do this kind of table by using border, font size, color, some kind of various formats. These are so easy. Now I'm going to show you how to make this table. Just follow here. At first, mark the whole table. You can use align option from here. There are several options available. Let's see. If I use this option, your format or your table will look like this. And this is looking better. First, we set our alignments. We are going to use the dollar format. From here, we can use this format. You can use euro sign too. You can reduce the decimal places by using this option, or you can increase this portion with this option. Click the right button of your mouse, go to format cells, go to currency, and use this option. Just double click here. Now we have the same format as you can see. Now we are going to use the border option. From here we can use border. If we use this option, you will see a border line at the bottom of the table. We are going to use this option. As you can see, we have all border lines. Thick box border, I'm going to use it now, as in this table we can see the thick line. Now we have thick line. Now focus on the font size and the bold option. You can use it from here, and I can increase the font size from here. You can use 14, 16, 18 as you like, or select this portion. You can use from here too. You can decrease the font size from here. Now I'm going to use the red text option. Just double click the column. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing here. I just marked and increased font size. You can decrease it too. I hope you are all clear. Now we can use the cell color from here. As you can see, all of the cells become black and you cannot see the headlines. Just mark. You can change the font color from here. For the black background, I'm going to use the white color. And simply you can see all the headlines here. Now I'm going to use the merge option. You can merge several cells. You can merge several cells with this option with just one click. Just click here. I'm going to name this table just like this one. Merge all these cells. Double click here and just write. I'm going to increase the font size. I'm going to change the color like this table. Now I'm going to use the thick border line again. In this table, you can see the border lines, the color of these border lines are white. You can do this by selecting the cells and use this option. You can use line color from here. For the black background, I am going to use white once again. Just click on the lines and all the lines are visible now. I'm going to save this file. I hope all of you can do this, and this is very simple and basic. Please like, comment and share this video. You can comment in the comment section. You can give your opinion or you can ask questions. I'm going to pick up those questions and I will try to solve those problems in my next video. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.